So here's the other portion of the video. I did the passenger seat a second ago, and what I wanted to do is, I don't know if you can see this, but I've got, this is the driver's seat, and I'm going to try something, which is, I'll spray the seat down with a little WD-40, see if it picks up the dirt and, residue. Anyways, I drive this thing a lot. It's an 06 F250. It's got about 300,000 miles on it, and yeah, it looks like it is picking up the dirt. But I read on the internet, said use soap and water, wipe it down, and I just wanted to try just straight up WD-40 on the seat, see what it did. Yeah, I don't feel like it's leaving a residue like you would think if you poured motor oil or some kind of other oil on here. But you can see where my seat is a little discolored from the top to the bottom. I'm going to see if I can get rid of some of that, and we'll go from there. I'll post some photos. If anybody else is brave enough to do it, let me know, and we'll go from there. But yeah, it's I don't know, it feels like it's working. It feels like it's the leather doesn't feel horrible, and yeah, another thing we can use WD-40 for. Nice.